So, mga books na mga luma. Books na luma at paano magsusulat. It's an old howdy paper. Right. This is the one they're using for right. I think that's the one there. Antique. Ay, ito maganda rin sa education ng mga anak nyo. It's good for education for your kids.